This August we revisit an utterly unique event held some years back at the Festival of Quilts. Our video features complete coverage of the Fashion Sans Frontières event, where many of our leading quilters and patchwork artists turned their sewing expertise to extraordinary and unique clothing items and showed them off to us on the fashion catwalk in front of a huge live audience. We also went behind the scenes of this brilliant event in a separate and equally compelling film to learn how the garments were created, not to be missed. This August also sees an exciting return to the film studio after months of lockdown, featuring an interview with Kate Findlay discussing her new applique kits and next year's Wild Gardens sewing retreat. In our Technique Thursday video this month, Valerie Nesbitt uses Thangles to create perfect half-square triangle units and a lovely star candle mat, which, as our product of the month, is a kit that comes in 2 colourways. Also this month, Valerie suggests making 2-sided quilts because she just loves to sew. She has a workshop entitled Box of Stars, which uses one of her favourite blocks, Fight or Flight, and she teams up with Jenny Raymond to discuss patchwork seams in Seams Common Sense. And Jenny herself brings us a new workshop using these lovely clamshell patterns to create interesting designs for quilts or cushions. And for our crochet enthusiasts, Jane Czaja returns to our studios with her super Patch the Dog workshop, which is a great way of using up scraps to create the individual squares. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.